Welcome to Cooking with Nada Day. I'm Nada Corey and we are in my Blue Planet greenhouse garden. We are here to pick some of my beautiful basil and other herbs. Now we got everything that we need. Let's go into the kitchen and let's bring earth to table. What kind of a day would it be without a good muffin? So we're going to make a blueberry chocolate muffin today, and it's going to be made with almond flour. I have bulk almond flour that I buy from nuts.com. So I'm going to put, this is a half a cup measuring, so I am going to add 2 of those in here, and I'm going to add some coconut flour to it because I want to make these muffins gluten-free. So I'm using all of my gluten-free tasty ingredients, which you can get pretty much anywhere in any store. In particular, and these are like rasples, so this is going to be great for my muffins. I'm going to have a cup of that. 1. There you go. It's almost empty. Oh, there we go. Okay. So in order to get a little bit more of consistency, I'm adding millet flour. Millet flour is also a gluten-free flour, so I'm going to add a half a cup for now and see how that works. There you go. See, it's kind of a little bit of yellowish, but I like the taste of it, and it binds well. So this is my 2-3 flours that I've used so far. I'm also going to add, and instead of flour, I'm going to add some of my nuts here that I've chopped. So it's going to be nutty as well. So I'm going to use let's say, a good half a cup of that in there for now. All right, I mixed all of my flours together. Now, in order for them to rise, I need some baking soda and baking powder. And they are both aluminum free. That's the key. We don't want to have any kind of aluminum in our food. That's not good for us. So I'm going to take a teaspoon of one and the other. So here we go. That's one. And here's the other. Okay. I'm going to mix that together here with my flour. This is going to make it rise and be fluffy. Okay. All right. Now I also use 2 eggs, a couple eggs. So I'm going to separate them because I always like to beat my whites to a snowy kind of puffy thing so that my muffins or anything that I bake is of that same nature. So I'm separating my eggs, egg whites from the yolk. The yolk goes in with the flour. And 2 eggs separate. There we go. Then I'm going to use, I need some oil, so I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I need some oil in here. So I know I'm not using spoons. I hope you can see that it is a spoon in there after all. Okay, so there you go. I'm mixing that together. And I said we're doing blueberry chocolate muffins. So where's my chocolate? I have an unusual great concoction. It is organic cocoa mojo, which is really organic cocoa enhanced. And I like to put a couple of these scoops in there just to enhance my muffins. So I use this little scooper And I take 2 of those and I put it in there. I like to put that in sometimes in my smoothie as well, especially if it's a fruit smoothie. Okay? I'm also gonna use a little bit of vanilla flavor or extract, not flavor, extract in there. So again, I'm gonna use like a teaspoon of that. And I'm gonna use cinnamon. I like cinnamon. Cinnamon is so good for us in so many ways. I'm gonna use some palm sugar again. All right, so this is gonna be 1, 2, there we go, 3 spoons of that. Okay. Oh, it smells divine already. Really nice. I have some chopped chocolate I'm gonna put in there, so we're really gonna make it chocolatey. Okay, so this is like 2 tablespoons of chocolate in here. And I'm adding my blueberries. So I have this larger container, which is probably a good cup and a half, no? More like a cup of blueberries. Okay. So this is what it looks right now. Like. All right. I'm gonna have to add some more liquid. Here's more cup almond milk. Let's see if this is enough. Okay, this is better. Consistency is pretty smooth, and that's what I'm looking for. And I am going to beat my egg whites now, so they're going to go in there, so it's going to be even more smoother. I have some leftover glazed lemon peel from Christmas time in my freezer, so I took it out, and I think this is going to add some nice flavor to my muffins. So I'm going to put a couple spoons of that in there. So now we are beating the eggs into egg white. So this is what it looks like when you beat your egg whites. It becomes like snow. Okay? So what we're going to do with that now is we're going to pull that into the mix that we have prepared before. This looks beautiful. There we go. And with that, our little prepared muffin cups. I have greased them with some coconut oil, which comes in spray, or you just grease it with it somehow. And then I'm gonna put this in there, in the cups. And we're gonna bake it in the oven at 375 for about 30 minutes. This is what it looks like before it's baked. So off into the oven it goes. Voila. With the muffins, they are ready. They are asking to be called out of this oven. And here they are, look at them. They look beautifully delicious.